Hi, welcome to Homestead Studio. My name is Marcia, and we're going to have some fun today. Okay, today we are going to do something called paint carving. We're going to be working with oils, and I'm going to explain to you how I start this. Now on the canvas, I have started with acrylic. So I've got some white, I've got yellow oxide underneath the white, then I did a blue in the center. It will make sense as we get going. So then take your oils. This is dry. Take your oils and start layering it on, and you'll want it thick. And I'm going to just put paint on. This is a good way to clean out your palette. I kind of want some light at the top. Just clean off your palette. You will just have so much fun doing this. If you like to play in paint, and who doesn't like to play in paint? Just get in and get it all over. What we're going to do is a bird's nest. I want it kind of dark at the bottom. For those of you that have done paint carving, this is just so much fun. And you've got your paint fairly thick on here. Okay, now what you need is a paper clip, just a little paper clip, and the blade out of a squeegee, and you cut it. I cut it to fit. You can buy a silicone brush, but why not make your own? And then I'm going to come in the center, and I'm going to just scoop out some little eggs that'll be in our nest. And then wipe out you have to keep wiping this off. I forgot my paper towels. Well, we'll just get going. And then you'll start putting in the twigs of your nest. And when you have a good producer, he hands you a paper towel. So that's always helpful to have someone near you. And you just start building your nest. And then you can put twigs in, and you can make little marks. Something growing on the trees. Or they brought in a twig of something that had things growing on it. Just make all kinds of little lines. Use the edge of it to make looks like little things of wheat maybe, or rye coming in here. And look how quickly that turned into a nest. And then you'll take your brush, or I do, and put a little bit of highlight on the blue. Let's see if we can wipe some of this. Looks like that's just smearing my paint, so let's do this. Maybe it's a little robin in there. And it might have little dots on the egg, little speckles. A little bit of highlight. And before you know it, you've got a nest. So try your paint carving. Let me know how it goes. And if you like doing it. When you're done, use your little tool, the edge of it, and initial it or put your name. How much easier could it be to paint? It's so much fun. Thank you for joining me here at Homestead Studio. I hope you're playing with your paints and putting in your brush time every day. It's so much fun. Let me know how you do. We'll see you next time.